Hello children, welcome back to the channel. Let us do the 6th class Telangana State Syllabus Knowing Our Numbers topic. In the previous videos also I have done with the same topic. Now before going to that, let us start with the proverb. The proverb that I have selected now is knowledge is power. Power means, everybody, that it is nothing but energy. And this energy makes you to do your job perfectly well. But physical exercises make you powerful physically. But mentally, how will you get that power? You will get that power only when you have a thorough knowledge about your subject. Whichever class you are studying, whichever subject you are doing with, what you should have a correct conceptual understanding. If you understand the concept of your problems or your topics, whatever subject you are learning, that becomes a permanent memory that will be stored in your memory and you can utilize it whenever you are in need. Definitely when you are going to do that, your memory power will always be praised by the others. So you will have that strength, that power, mental power, knowledge power when you have got this conceptual understanding. So children, learning the things just by hearting is not the case. Understand the concept of the topic. What for the topic is given to you? What is the main concept that I should keep it in mind? If you really study in that particular sense, then you can understand yourself how well your prosperity will be. Okay, children, let us come back to our lesson. I'm doing this 6th class Telangana State Syllabus. Knowing our numbers we are doing. I have already taught you about how to write the expansion form, and I have already taught about nearest number, how to round it off. So now, basing on that only, you are going to have this exercise 1.2. In this exercise 1.2, the first question is round off the numbers to nearest tens. So let us see the first one. The first bit is they have given the number 89. Since they said tens places we should concentrate. 89, it lies between what numbers, children? Lies between 80 and 90. So when you write the values 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now the question they have asked is 89. 89 is here. This is nearer to 90. So 89 is rounded off to 90. This will be the answer, children, for the first one, 89. You may be taught to write directly, children, but as I said you, concept is very important. So if you do like this, there won't be any chance of going wrong. So little bit 1 or 2 lines extra, but I hope you can understand and you can do them for your clearance in the solution. The next one is 415. See children, even though the number given is 415, it lies between, because they have asked only tens. So we should concentrate only on tens. Forget about 400s. So 404 I will be writing like this and I should take only 15. 15 lies between 400 and how much, children? 400 and 15 means you can take 410 you start, children. 400 to 10 means you have got 410 400 to 10, 10 tens means from 400 to 410 only you'll write, but the number given here is 415. So you start with 410 and how much? 420. Between 10 and 20, 15 lies. So 410, 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419 and 420. These are the values, the 10 values in this range. Now the question asked is 415. Where is this 415 lies? It is nearest to this, because I said earlier, from the middle value to whatever goes right side, all will be rounded off to the next number, and these values, the back values, should be rounded off to the back value, that is 410. So what we will say, 415 is rounded off to 420. Now let us see the third bit. What is the third bit, children? 3951. So lies between. You have to talk about tens plus 51. That means 50 and 60. So 3950, 3951, 3950, 3951, 3952, 3953. It goes on like this. I am stopping here, children, because the problem is only 3951. It goes on like this up to 3960, 3960. Because the problem is here itself, I am not continuing. So here 3951 is nearest to 3950. So 3951 is rounded off to 3950. These are the answers, children, for this first bit. We have one more bit. You just copy it. I will do the next bit. Now we will go to the fourth bit. Now fourth bit of this problem. The fourth bit of this problem is 4409. Tens and units place. It is 9 children. 9 means 0 to 10. We have to take. That means we will write it lies between. What values, children? 4400 and 4410. So let us write those values. 4400, 4401, 4402, 4403, 4404, 4405, 4406, 4407, 4408, 4409 and 4410. The problem that they have given is 4409, 4409. See, this is nearest to this 4410. So you will be writing 4409 is rounded off to 4410. So I hope you have understood this, children. Now we will go to the second problem. The second problem says it is rounded up to nearest hundreds. Nearest 100. Nearest 100, the first one is given as 695. So this 695 lies between. See children, earlier it was tens place, we have talked about only the first two digits. Now hundreds place, so units, tens, hundreds you have to take. 695 lies between 600, it lies between 690 and 700. Why are we taking this children? Because they are asking to do with the hundreds. So what are the values that we are going to do? We are getting 600. Next one will be 610. Next 620. Next 630. Then 640. 650. 660, we have to go up to 90. So 670, 680, 690, then 700. Now the question is 695. 95 lies between 690 and 700. So it will be somewhere here in the middle. So it will be nearest to 700. So 695 is rounded off to 700. So these are the two sums, children. You copy, then I will do the next problem of the second bit. Now we are doing the second bit. It is rounding off to hundreds. So second round off to hundreds. This we are doing. First bit I have done. Now let us go to the second bit. The second bit is 36152. Means what children? 36,152. So it is in thousands place. But whatever is given here up to thousands, we have to concentrate only on hundreds. So 100 is here, 152. So 152 lies between 100 and 200. So when you are talking about this, the problem is 36,152 lies between 36,100 and 36,200. 152, no? So we have to concentrate this. This is 100 and 200. So when you are writing the numbers 36152, that means we have to start it with 100. We have to start the number with 36100, 36,100, 36,110, 36,120, 36,130. It goes on like this. I am not continuing children because the problem is 152. 152, sorry, I have to do it still more. 36,140, 36,150, 36,160, then 36,170. Then I have to go for 36,180. Then I'll do little bit down children. 36,190 and 36,200. These are the values. Now the question is 152. 152 will be somewhere in between these two. So when it is rounded off, I should round it off to 36,200. So 36,152 is rounded off to 36,200. So this is the second problem children. Now the third bit is 13,648. So hundreds place we have taken 648. So it lies between. What value is children? It is 600. That means 13,600 and 13,700. These are the two values, in between them it lies. So you have to write 13600, that 13,600, 13,610, 13,620. You keep on seeing the number 48. So I should go with up to 50. 13,630, 13,640, 13,650. Then now it goes on like this, my children. Now 13,648 lies somewhere here. So from here you have to be, it is below half. This is half, below it. So 13,648, somewhere between 40 and 50. So it will be going to 13,600. So 13,648 is rounded off to 13,600. Now let us see the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit, children? 93,618. So once again it lies between. What are the values, children? Again you have got in 100 plus 600. That means 93,600 and 93,700. So 618. So let us write the numbers. 93,600, 93,610, 93,620. See children, 18 lies between 10 and 20. It goes on like this. So somewhere here you will be having 618. So it will be rounded up to 93,600. So 93618 is rounded off to 93600. This is the answer. So I hope children you have followed the second one. You copy it. I will go to the third bit. Now the third bit says you have to round it off to thousands place, children. We have done tens place rounding off and we have done hundreds place rounding off. Now we are going to do the third problem. It is rounding off to which one, children? 1000. You have to concentrate now on thousands place. In the earlier place, tens means we have concentrated only on first two digits, units and tens place. Hundreds means units, tens and hundreds. Now thousands, units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Those values you have to consider. So the first one that is given to you is 3,415. The values that are given to you is 3,415. 3,415. Thousands, children. Forget about tens, units, tens, hundreds. Thousands. So 3,400 means definitely it lies between 3,000 and 4,000. So how will you write, children? This is thousands, no? So 3,000 and 3,100, like that you will be writing 3,000, then 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600. The problem is 3,415. 415 lies between these two, no? So we can continue it like this. So 3,415 comes nearest to 3,000. So 3,415 is rounded off to 3,000. This is the first answer, children. So let us see the second one. The second one is 70,124. It lies between 70,000, that is 70,000 to 70,000. How much you will be getting, children? 80,000. 70,000 and 80,000. So how will you write, children? 70,100, 70,000 200s and 70,000 300s. It goes on like this, children, because I need 124. It lies between these two, so it comes nearer to 70,100. So 70,125 is 124 is rounded off to 70,100. Now, when you go to the third bit, you have got the third bit 8,765. The problem is 8,765. It lies between, thousands is 8, children. That means 8,000 and 9,000. So how will you write? 8,000, 8,100. 700 means you have to go for 8,200, 8,300, 8,400, 8,500, 8,600, 8,700, 8,800, 8,900, 8,000. How much? 9,000. 8,900, and the last one you will be getting is 9,000. Now the question is 8,765. So 765 lies between these two, somewhere here. So it can be taken for 9,000. So you will be getting it as 8,000 is rounded off. 8,000, how much is the problem? 8,765 is 765 is rounded off to 9,000. So copy this, three, children. I will do the next one. Now we will go to the fourth bit. Now the fourth bit of the same problem, rounding off to thousands. What is the fourth bit, children? The fourth bit is 4,001. 4,001. It lies between what values, children? 4,001 means you can write it as thousands he is asking, so it is 4,000 and 5,000, because the question is about thousands. So you will be writing it as 4,000, 4,100, 4,200. It goes on like this. Because I am stopping here because it is only 4,001. It will be next to this. So that will be rounded up to 4,000. 4,001 is rounded off to 4,000. So this is the third problem, children. With this third problem, fourth bit, we are completing the third one. Now we have to talk about the expanded form. Expand, write the numbers in short form. The fourth question is, you have to write the numbers in short form. This is the question. So what is the first bit, children? The first bit that is given to you is, you have to go for the values that they have given is 3000 plus 400 plus 7. Now, when you have seen the last one, it is thousands place, children. So first you write the place values. That is units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So what is there in units place, children? It is 7. I have told you about face values and place values. So face value into place value. Units place, 7 ones are 7. So it is only 7. And where is the tens place? They have not given any tens place, children, here, because there is no number allotted for tens place. So you have to take the tens place as 0. And hundreds place, you have got 4. 4 into 100, 400. In hundreds place, you have got 4. And in thousands place, you have got 3. So what will be the number, children? 34,007 is the short form of the given expansion form. I hope you have followed. Now go to the second one. Second one, they have given, this is 10,000. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. So when you are talking about this, how many place values? 10,000 place values. So units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now units place, you have 1. Tens place, you have 5. Hundreds place, you have 3. Thousands place, you have 2. 10,000s place, you have 1. So the number will be 12,351. This is the short form of this value, children. Now you have got 2 more problems. So I'll be doing this in the next afterwards, because I think you may not copy the other ones. So just copy this, children. I'll do the fourth problem, remaining bits there. Now, fourth problem, third bit. What is the fourth problem, third bit? Fourth problem, what we are doing, children? We are doing the short form. Fourth problem, short form we are doing. And in this, I have done first and second problems. Now, we will go to the third problem. What is the third problem, children? 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. So see this place value, children, first. This is 30,000. That means up to 10,000s you have to write. So units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So in this 10,000s place, units place they have given 5. Tens place the number is 2. Hundreds place the number is 5. But you don't have any number in thousands place. Keep 0. And 10,000s place 3. So what is the number, children? 30,525 is the answer for this number. Now, let us go to the fourth problem. It is 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. So up to 10,000 again. units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Units place you have 9, tens place you have 9, hundreds place also 9, thousands place also 9, 10,000s place also 9. So what is the number, children? 99,999 is the answer for this short form. Now, the fifth problem here is you have to write expanded form. Expanded form. Already I have taught you in the previous class, children, about how it has to be done, the expanded form. Let us see the first problem given to you. 4348. That is 4,348. So here you write the place values, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are the place values. So let us write the expanded form. 4 is in thousands place, 4 into 1000, plus 3 is in hundreds place, 3 into 100. 4 is in tens place, 4 into 10, and 8 is in ones place. So what is the expanded form, children? It is 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. This is the expanded form of the given number. Now, second bit. The second bit here is 30,214. Again, units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. We have got the values up to 10,000 place. So, 3 should be taken in 10,000. Okay, plus 0 in 1,000. This is in 1,000. Plus 2 in hundreds place, 2 into 100. Plus 1 in tens place, and 4 plus 4 in ones place. So how will you write, children? 30,000 plus 0 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. This is the expansion form, children. If you don't want to put the 0, you can even write it as 30,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. In this way also you can write. So copy this, children. I will do the remaining sums. Now 2 more bits are there in the fifth problem. Let us chase it. Children, understand this. When they are asking the short forms, you are taking the place values and putting them. So anyway, expanded form, there also you have to talk about the place values. So that knowledge you should have very thoroughly. So the 51, we are doing the expanded form. Now, what is the third bit? We have done only 2 bits, and the third bit in expanded form, 22,222. This is the problem. Units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So in expanded form, you will take 2 and it is in 10,000s place, plus 2 in thousands place, plus 2 in hundreds place, plus 2 in tens place, plus 2 in ones place. So how much you are getting? 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. This is the answer, children. Basing on the place values, you have to do that. Now, the fourth bit here is 75025. That is units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 75,025. So when you are writing expanded form, 7 is in 10,000s place plus 5 is in thousands place plus 0 is in hundreds place plus 2 is in tens place plus 5 is in units place. So you will be writing it as 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 5. This can also be written as 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 20 plus 5. So I hope you have understood this, children. With this 1.2 exercise which is there in your page 5 in textbook, page 5, you have got 1.2 exercise that I have completed, children. So I hope you have understood this.